Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer dashboards from Grafana to AWS Managed Grafana, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer dashboards from Grafana to AWS Managed Grafana, start by accessing your existing Grafana instance. Log in to your Grafana dashboard. Navigate to the dashboard you want to export. Click on the Options menu, usually represented by three dots in the top right corner of the dashboard. Select Share from the drop-down menu. In the Share dialog, locate the Export tab. Click on the Export button to download the dashboard JSON file. Save the JSON file to your local machine. Now, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon Managed Grafana service. Choose to create or select an existing workspace. In the workspace, locate the Dashboard section. Click on Create Dashboard. In the Dashboard editor, select the option to import dashboard. Upload the JSON. Review the settings and data sources in the dashboard. Adjust any necessary configurations to match your AWS data sources. Once everything is set, click on Save. Your dashboard is now successfully transferred to AWS Managed Grafana. Repeat these steps for any additional dashboards you wish to migrate. You can now ensure your data visualization continues seamlessly in your AWS environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.